Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you all have a great weekend. Let's just take a quick peek around and see what's going on. We still got a peanut here and bird seed, and still got a peanut there. Windowsill is still loaded. All right, what's going on in the backyard? It looks like these ones are gone again. So let's throw a couple down. Really have a feeling these are squirrel food. And I don't see any in here anymore, so let's put a couple in there. Well, thanks for joining me again. I hope you guys are as invested in this as I am because I am determined to make this happen.